I got this 2024 RAV4, so I'm just gonna replace my cabin filter because it's too expensive to do it in the dealership. I think the price of the cabin filter in the dealership is around $34 to $35, but I got this from Amazon. It's around $17, so I'm just gonna do it myself to save a few more bucks because it's not that hard. So I'm gonna show you how to replace the cabin filter in your RAV4, in your 2024 RAV4 LE. Okay, to remove or to locate your cabin filter for the RAV4 2024, just need to open this. Okay, remove some stuff so it will not fall off. Okay, and then all you have to do is press this side and this side. Press this side, and then you have to remove this side, this part, and then it will just open. Okay, so this is the cover of the cabin filter. All you need to do is just pinch this, voila, and you remove the cover, then just pull this out. Okay, so this is the dirty cabin filter. This is almost a year already, so I'm just gonna replace this because of the bad smell coming from the filter. So I just cleaned this up, then I'm gonna replace it now. So the code of the cabin filter is this one, CF12157. So we're gonna open this now. Okay, so it's similar. So this one does have a color because of the carbon elements, in this filter. That's not a dirt, it's a carbon element that helps help filter the bacteria and other stuff, you know. So this plastic around this filter, this cabin filter, is reusable. We just need to remove this old filter from this, and then we will replace it with the new one. Okay, this one is the old one, so we're gonna use this again. Okay, so it's all good. So there's instruction here, this side up. Just need to put it back. All good. There you go. And put this back up. Just need to put this back up. Just make sure that the clips are in, and then just push that. Okay, so that's it. New filter, new cabin filter is in there. So we're just gonna put this back up. Okay, just to put this back, let's put this back. Don't forget to put that back, and then just close it like that. That's it. Easy peasy. You don't need to spend a lot of money just to replace your cabin filter. DIY is good. Okay, stay tuned for more DIY for your RAV4 or anything I'm gonna do DIY, you know. So one of the DIY I made here for my RAV4, especially during the summer and or spring and summer season, I put this mesh to stop rocks and stop insects going to my radiator fin or intercooler fin. This will lessen the damage of the rocks, you know. Okay, hope you subscribe to my channel.